Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how can you convert the value from number to value in text. The method is not very straightforward and you need to follow a few steps to convert the value from number to value in text without using macros. So let's begin. First of all, I would like to show you where you have to add the add-ins. Let's go to the files, select last option, and here if you see on the left side, click on add-ins, and here on your right side see the option manage where Excel add-ins available. Press go. So add-ins available, if you have a spell number add-in available, you have to select it and press OK. But right now you see I have no add-ins available. How can we add add-in here? Press browse, it will open the add-in folder, and here if you see I have no add-in available. So I will provide a link below in this video from where you can download the add-ins and paste here. So these add-ins are here available. Right click on it and extract here. There are 4 or 5 add-ins available. Copy them and paste them here in add-ins available. For example, I want to convert my value from number to value in text in dollars. So I will select this add-in, right click on it. You see the add-in is available, spell number dollar. Okay, so let's suppose I have here the value 100. I want to convert into text. It is equals to write a spell number and select the cell, hit enter. It will convert your value into dollar. For example, here $258. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.